Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily transfer your Excel data to Google Sheets. First, open your Excel workbook. Navigate to File, then Save As, and select CSV, comma-separated values, from the drop-down menu. This crucial step converts your spreadsheet into a universally readable text file. Give it a memorable name and note where you save it on your computer. This simple preparation makes the next steps much smoother and quicker. Now, let's get that file into Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to Drive. Google.com, then sign in with your Google account. On the left side, you'll see a large new button. Click it. From the options that appear, select File Upload. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer. Find the CSV file you saved earlier and click Open to begin the upload process. It usually takes just a few seconds. With your CSV file now safely in Google Drive, the next step is to open it correctly. Locate the uploaded file within your Drive. It should be easy to spot. Right-click on the file name. A context menu will appear. Hover over Open With, and then select Google Sheets from the submenu. Google Sheets will then automatically process your CSV data, creating a brand new, fully editable spreadsheet. This conversion is usually seamless. Finally, take a moment to verify your data. Carefully check that all rows and columns have transferred correctly and that no information is missing. You might want to adjust column widths for better readability or apply specific number formats, like currency or percentages. Google Sheets automatically saves your work as you go, so there's no need to manually click a Save button. Your Excel data is now successfully living in Google Sheets, ready for collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.